Hello everyone, welcome to our Prime Auto Total Car Restorations. This car right here is a 1974 Nissan Fairlady Z GS30, which is a four-seater. GS30 is a four-seater and S30 is a two-seater. As you can see, it's been painted with the surfacer. It's kind of in a really bad shape, the interior as well, and you can see the dashboard has a crack on it. The center console panel has been dismantled as well, and the upholstery has come off the hood, and some of the parts missing as well. So this is the condition I bought the car from. As you can see, the engine has been already taken off. A bit of rust and some holes here and there, which I'm later on going to fix. It's got the original Nissan fairlady Z alloy wheels, which is in bad shape as well. And sorry about the untidy garage. It's just a tiny garage to work in. And over here you can see I've taken the parts off the engine. You can see the starter motor over there, the thermostat, ignition coil, even the mounts, engine mounts. You can see the slave cylinder of the clutch, oil filter.